Inspector, traffic inspector, when he went to the college asking the young boys to wear helmets while driving the motorbike, he took a watermelon along and he said, if you don't use it and if there's an accident, what will happen to your head? And he threw the watermelon on ground, broke into pieces. So he said, this is what will happen to you. Understand? So effective evidence. So we'll go back to, so speaking part we have discussed. Is that right? So speaking, as I said in the beginning, today look at yourself. These are all things we need to do slowly over a period of time. You don't have to do anything in one day, not even 1 week, not even in 1 month. Last time also whatever I talked to you, I told you, try to implement things. They're all for your good. They're not in syllabus. And nobody is going to tell you in future also, I'm telling you this. So, speaking, the listening we have talked already. We always listen carefully, interpret it. If it is not clear to you, no harm in asking. But ask respectfully. Sorry, I haven't heard you. Can you kindly repeat it? You can be rude also. You can say, I haven't understood. What the hell are you talking? Say again. This fellow will say, I won't tell you now. Go to hell. So he says, why should I go to hell? You go to hell. So that is the best communication you always have. You know? So if you talk like that, listening, please concentrate on listening from today. It will benefit you a lot at home, in school, in your studies. Next is reading. Reading is a communication. There's something somebody has written in a book or in a note which you are reading. It's communicating to you. Right? So what do you read? You read your books. NCERT books you have, isn't it? NCERT. Then you have notes. Then you have guide books. We used to call it Kunji. I don't know what you call it.
Reference books now.
Reference books. Yeah, better name has come. But don't read too much about any topic. If you read the chapter also, if you read the notes also, if you read the reference book also, you will be confused, I am telling you. Focus. Focus is very, very important. Now, whether it is speaking or it is reading, please take care of one thing. Something you must do. Something you might, something you should. I'll explain. Let us talk of speaking. Let us say one of you wants to say something very important to the principal man. And you are not getting permission or you are not getting time, you don't know how to talk to the principal, and you have a very important suggestion to make for the school. So one day as you are coming in the corridor, you see principal ma'am is also walking. So you walk a little faster and go next to her. Now you have 30 seconds because her office will come, she will walk into the office. So what do you do in 30 seconds? Good morning ma'am. Ma'am, I am so and so, I am studying in class 12C, this is my name. It's a very good school. I am enjoying studying here. 30 seconds are over, the principal goes, and then you say कि यार वो बात तो रहेगी जो important बात. Yeah? So, what is to be done? Any guesses? Good morning ma'am, I am so and so, class 11C, and I have to say that if you add one more period of cricket or whatever you want to say, it will help students quite a lot. So done your bit. Ma'am will think about it. She said, okay, I'll think about it. So she'll actually think about it. She'll talk to maybe other teachers and see whether this can be done or not. But you made your point. So whenever the speaking comes to, even among your friends and others, speak the most important thing immediately. पहले ये बात करो. पिक्चर्स में भी देखते हो आप, वो क्या हमेशा होता है, लड़का लड़की बोल रहा है आई लव यू, कहने में 1.5 घंटा लग जाता है, इतनी देर में गाड़ी निकल जाती है. Why not say that? Be done with it. कहते हैं, isn't it? What happens? So say the most important thing first. Same applies to reading also. Read the most important first. NCERT का that chapter, topic, subject, वो पढ़ लो. That is the basic thing. Then if you have time, go extra. Should, must, should, might. And then you still have more time, then anyway, do that further. The importance of speech also lies in how quickly you can say your point and get it across to people. For that you have to think, plan, speak carefully, choose your words carefully, be economical in your words. Now when you are addressing people, when you are writing also, now when you are writing a letter, though I would have talked about it the last, but this one point has come to my mind, you should, if you are writing a letter, somebody said writing a letter, you should know the correct name of the person. You should know the spelling of the person. Is that right or wrong? If it is not there correctly written, how will you react if your name is not properly written?
I will be upset.
She will be upset. And whatever request you will make, she will never do it. Once I got a letter, Charuji, says B.L. Vora, IPS registered, rather than retired. I was so angry, I didn't do that fellow's work. उसका फोन आया, उसने कहा कि सर क्या गलती होगी. I said I won't tell you, but you don't come anywhere near my office now. Small little mistake can be a big blunder for you. Is that right? Same thing, of course, writing your answers also in the question paper. No. If you are asked about the sun and you write about the moon, what will happen? Same thing. So, I was talking of the reading part. So, listen carefully in the class. Alright, you do tuitions, fine. It doesn't mean you should not listen. Topic is boring, well, it is there, you have to do it. घर में कई बार your mother must be making some sabzi that you don't like, but you have to eat because your mother insists you have to eat. Even you hate it, but you have to. Same thing applies here. Teachers also have to make it interesting, that topic, whatever it is. Sometimes you don't like the delivery, the lecture, the teacher. You go teacher, or make the cartoons or whatever. That's fine, but you are doing damage to yourself. Be careful about it. The last is about the writing part. Now we come. I told you. So writing again is a matter of practice. Focused, short, concise. You may have thought, somebody may have told you, the marks you will get will depend on the length of the answer that you give. You think it happens that way? No, it doesn't happen. So you have to practice for that also. Convey your meaning. Today when you go home, just try for 2 minutes, write something, one paragraph, the way you want to write on anything. Later again revise that and you will find that you can shorten the sentences. Third time when you will revise, you will find you can still shorten the sentences. Can it be done or not? You make presses also? आप presses सिखाते हैं इनको? Dolly, is it a part of it? Presses?
They do summary writing.
Okay, same thing. So writing, you have to practice in all these things. So we're talking of 4 things, but I'll go back to speaking because that takes most of our time. Be careful. four friends sitting together saying, it's very, we all like speaking ill of others. ये खराब है, वो खराब है, उसकी बात अरे यार, I know a very bad guy. If you say he's a good guy, nobody says. Everybody keeps quiet. Is that right or wrong? And mind you, if you are four of you are speaking ill of somebody, when one of you will go out, the other three will start speaking ill of you. And then you will know it also. Everybody knows ultimately. किसने मेरे बारे में क्या कहा. So bad blood, anger, bad relations. Avoid this trap. लेकिन बड़ा मुश्किल है. मज़ा बड़ा आता है किसी की बारे में बुराई करने का, बड़ा मज़ा है. इसके बराबर का मज़ा ही कोई नहीं लाइफ में. बड़ा मज़ा आता है. एंड इवन मोदी को भी क्रिटिसाइज करो, प्रेसिडेंट को करो, क्या क्रिटिसाइज करने में क्या जाता है. क्रिटिसाइज होल वर्ल्ड ऑल द टाइम. You are damaging yourself. Try to realize that. So we have talked of four things now. I said communications is speaking, listening, reading and writing. And you also help you know all this, and you also said it is verbal, it's non-verbal, it's by body language. It can be by symbols. Sometimes when you meet somebody from a foreign country, you don't even have to, even if you don't know the language, you can always manage still, isn't it? There's some standard symbols in the world over. You know this.
And with the tone also. Communication with the tone also.
Yeah, that I think I've already said that. So what is your tone, how you speak, unless you speak respectfully to people. If you don't respect others, you will not get respect. That's very simple. Whatever in life you want, unless you give it, you will never get it back. At home also it applies. And I talked to you about that day. I think I told you to go and hug your mother's shampoo. Did I say that? How many of you did that? Others don't like their mothers. So fine. So how did your mother react when you do that?
Surprised.
She was surprised. और किसने हाथ खड़ा किया था?
She was shocked.
She was shocked.
She thought my marks had been less.
She thought that he has got less marks.
Very honest.
She asked me if there was anything special.
आरे मदर साहब और पैसे चाहिए क्या आज क्या खास बात? हम मदर्स का मैंने बताया था क्या भाई मदर इज ग्रांटेड टेक शी इज अ सर्वेंट डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट ऑफ द टाइम व्हाई बॉदर एनीवे सो आई हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस टुडे विद यू नाउ एनी क्वेश्चंस बिफोर आई प्रोसीड टू द अदर टॉपिक एनी क्वेश्चंस यू हैव एनीवन और एनीथिंग यू वांट टू शेयर एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क Be a friendlier person always. Increase your knowledge. How many of you read newspaper every day? Everybody should read newspaper.
I don't know why they are not raising hands. Children, do you get Times of India main paper also? Class-wise, it's being circulated every day. So don't you read it? Why aren't you raising your hands for anything? Whatever sir asks
Sit
in your...
sit down, Dolly. Don't worry.
I don't know.
Don't worry
They're
about
not
it.
even responding.
I am generally saying if you are knowledgeable about things, it will help you in life. It's not for anybody at all. If you are well informed, you will be ahead by the nose. You know in an Olympic race, who wins? Person whose nose is ahead. Listen to TV news sometimes. Every day, of course, but debate sometimes and all that. So if that is, so I have covered this now. Now I talk of another topic which is called interpersonal skills. It is also called life skills. Some people call it people skills. So what does this mean? This means basically that we should have good relations with people.
पैदा क्यों नहीं करा रहे? They're sitting like a
Why should we have good relations with people? With your friends, with your relatives, with the teachers, with anybody. Why should you have good relations? मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता? Does it make a difference in life?
Yes, it improves us and it improves maybe actually it improves the surroundings.
Very good. So it's important that we should have good relations with people. Are you sure about it? So give a thought to it today as you go home. Do I have really good relations with people? Nothing wrong if you don't have, but then you can always try and improve and it will help you in life. Now some of the things which I had noted down for you was, firstly, don't be selfish in having good relations. कि मुझे क्योंकि उससे काम है आज मैं इसलिए आई वुड डू दैट, चाहे वो सोमन जी हो, डॉली जी हो, कोई भी हो, मैं नो, नॉट विद अ मोटिव, नॉट विद अ पर्पस. डोंट हैव द कैरो माइंड इन लाइफ. देन language, you have to be very careful. Language, whether it is speaking or it's body language. Tone. Body language also. When you are talking to somebody, everything has a meaning. Does it convey meaning? Yes. And tone also. The other day I laughed. I was going by the roadside and there was a traffic light. Some problem was there, traffic jam. And the driver of the next car I noticed shouting at someone who was walking on the footpath. He said, "Idhar aana jara." He wanted to know what is happening. उसने कहा मैं नहीं आता. बात भी ठीक है, क्यों आया भाई? लाइक आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट इम्पोर्टेंस नेम, क्या नाम है तेरा? मैं नहीं बताता. So you have to ask respectfully, just sir, can I talk to you for a minute? I mean, there is a way of talking, no? But if you are arrogant and you want others to respect you, will it work? Whether by tone, speech or by body language. But there are people, so you have to be careful. Start cultivating it. Okay, when you talk, and then change focus from negative to positive in life. You have heard of these words, positive personality or negative personality, सुना है? Positive personality क्या होता है? Can somebody tell me? Any one of you. What's a positive personality? Optimistic personality. Negative personality क्या होता है? Can I recognize a positive personality? Can you recognize a negative personality?
Yes, he's not behaving properly, tone is rude, arrogant.
Yes. Okay. Can you recognize a positive personality?
If his behavior is good and talking to us quietly.
Very nice. I think both have said excellent things. But the simplest test is when a positive personality comes to a room, everybody is happy. लो जी आ गए, ये टीचर आ गया, बड़ा मजा आ गया. And a negative personality is one, people are happy when he goes out of the room. Right or wrong? You should be a positive personality. And these are the qualities you talked of. Positive person is happy, he is cheerful, He wants to help, he has knowledge. He's always full of life. We all have, if जरा सोचना आपकी लाइफ में, घर में, रिश्तेदारों में, दोस्तों में, there will be some people who are always cheerful and some are who are always grumbling. I had two friends, unfortunately they are no more now. But whenever I was in a sad mood, I'll go to them and एक डॉक्टर कॉल थे मेरे दोस्त. हाँ जी डॉक्टर साहब क्या हाल है? बहुत बढ़िया सर, टॉप पे चल रही है लाइफ, बिल्कुल बढ़िया. बच्चे बच्चे पूछो ना, कमाल कर रहे हैं, माउंट एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ गए सारे. और एक और किसी और को मिलो, क्या हाल है? अरे मर गए यार, बताओ ये कोई स्कूल है? बताओ. सुबह सुबह उठा देते हैं घर से, अपना भेज देते हैं यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे भी पीछे पड़े रहते सारा दिन. ये करो वो करो, कभी ये एक्टिविटी करो, कभी वो करो, परेशान कर रखा है. If you are in the later category, how many people will like you? How many friends will you have? So change your focus now. आज से नेगेटिव नहीं देखना, पॉजिटिव देखना है और बनना है. कैसे पॉजिटिव बनते हैं भाई? See good in others. क्रिटिसिज्म, आज से क्रिटिसिज्म बंद, लोगों की अच्छाई शुरू. बड़ा मुश्किल है. कह तो दिया, चेयरमैन साहब भी फालतू बोलते रहते हैं, कुछ न कुछ आते रहते हैं. Best way is to increase your self-esteem, and that is self-esteem. You know what is self-esteem? How I respect myself, how I see myself. Best way is to do selfless work for others who cannot pay you anything in return. आप किसी गरीब की मदद करोगे जो आपके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, तो आपका सेल्फ एस्टीम बढ़ेगा. और जरूरी नहीं गरीब की मदद करना. If I am talking to you, there are self-esteem. I feel I am happy about it. I am not getting a penny for this social work that I am doing as chairman, but I am extremely happy that I have this thing to come and share my life experience with you. It helps. ये करो. These two things alone will help you. Think positive always. Avoid the company of bad people. Okay. Then attitude of gratitude. ये बड़ा important है लाइफ में. Be grateful. किसको grateful होना लाइफ में भाई? Tell me, किसको grateful होना चाहिए आपको? You all have helped me. So we should be grateful to people who help us. Parents, definitely. Teachers, definitely. Friends, they help you a lot. Nobody can do anything in the world alone.
And any person you feel who has touched your life in any way.
And so many people. So have an attitude of gratitude. लेकिन ये कोई बात थोड़ी है. क्या किया माँ बाप? अरे सारे करते हैं बच्चों के लिए, मेरे माँ बाप ने कमाल किया? कोई ऐसा थोड़ी चलता है. उनके माँ बाप ने उनके लिए किया, उनके माँ बाप ने उनके लिए किया. भाई बहुत है, थोड़ा देखा जाएगा लोगों का. देन गीगो पढ़ा आपने? गीगो सुना? GIGO, गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट, गुड इन गुड आउट. यहाँ यू फॉलोड व्हाट आई सेड? GIGO, गुड इन good out, garbage in, garbage out. Keep it away from the garbage. Understand? Okay. Do it now. कुछ भी करना है काम तो अभी कर लो. साल करे सो आज कर. और दूसरा भी है ना, उसका क्या कह रहे हैं? आज करे सो काल कर, कल करे सो परसों. इतनी जल्दी क्या है प्यारे? अभी तो पड़े हैं बरसों, कर लेंगे. क्या जल्दी? आराम से करो अपना. कोई नहीं, फेल हो गए फिर पढ़ लेंगे. क्या आई एम रिमाइंडेड ऑफ ए स्टोरी अबाउट लेजी पीपल. एक बार लेजी लोगों ने सोचा हम भी एक एसोसिएशन बना लें. सारे बनाते हैं. So they called a meeting at Ramlila ground in Delhi at 9 o'clock in the evening after dinner. Tent went and everything was there. The first person came at 11 o'clock at night. लेजी लोगों की मीटिंग है। करते करते आने शुरू हुए, जब 3-3:30 बज गए तो उन्होंने कहा कि भाई नाउ लेट अस इलेक्ट आवर प्रेसिडेंट एंड सेक्रेटरी एंड ऑल। somebody said वेट कर लो यार। तो एक बंदा 4:30 बजे आ रहा आराम से। क्या हो गया भाई साहब? जी मैं बस सो गया था, मैंने कहा उठ जाएंगे क्या जल्दी। उसको प्रेसिडेंट बना दिया। कोई लेजी एसोसिएशन का प्रेसिडेंट तो दे, somebody was really lazy, no? गाड़ी दे दी, दफ्तर दे दिया, यू नो प्रेसिडेंट है, सो ही गेट्स एवरीथिंग। कुछ दिनों बाद ट्रैफिक पुलिस के दफ्तर से चालान आ गया फास्ट ड्राइविंग का, गाड़ी तेज गाड़ी चलाने का उनके खिलाफ, भाई साहब के। कौन? जो प्रेसिडेंट थे, राष्ट्रपति जो थे, फॉर क्रॉसिंग द रेड लाइट का डिसमिस कर दो। Somebody said ask him, there's a way, there's a show cause notice, ask him at least what happened, why did he cross the red light? हाँ जी, क्यों पूछा, क्यों आपने सर ये रेड लाइट क्रॉस करा? कुछ नहीं जी, वो असल में माई फीट वॉज ऑन द एक्सेलरेटर, रेड लाइट आएगी, मैंने कहा उठा लेंगे क्या जल्दी है, इतनी देर में जा रहा था। यू कंटिन्यू एज प्रेसिडेंट, कैन यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन। Always greet others with a smile, not with a frown. You know, when you smile, 32 muscles are used. When you frown, 72 muscles are used. क्या जरूरत है ज्यादा मेहनत करने की लाइफ में? I'm not joking. Ask any doctor later.
And it's infectious.
Huh?
Smile
And
is
it is
infectious.
स्माइल करोगे, नहीं स्माइल आती तो वैसे ही हंसा करो। डू यू लाफ एवरी डे? वेरी गुड, दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग यू डू, आई नो। हंसा करो, हंसना बड़ा अच्छा है।
Quiet, please.
अच्छा, ओके, नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू, बी ए फ्रेंडली पर्सन। इसके लिए क्या करना है? ऑलवेज ग्रीट विद स्माइल एंड विद अ वार्म शेक हैंड। आई टोल्ड यू लास्ट टाइम, नो, शेक हैंड्स। Name of the other person is important, I talked about it. Don't criticize or condemn. Any fool can do that. Criticize करना तो बड़ा आसान। Make others feel important. ये बड़ा जरूरी। Make others feel important, even if he's your friend. And if you think everybody is useless, तो फिर हो गया काम। So will you be. Okay. Be helpful. Be helpful in life. In whatever way, if you help people, people will be happy, they'll be grateful, and whenever you need help, they'll give it to you. Important, Sahaba, is it? Now, try to understand others. Sometimes somebody can be rude. Sometimes try to understand. वो खास करके प्रॉब्लम फोन पे होता है। You are quarreling with somebody और ऊपर से फोन आ गया, तो आप उसे बोल उसको रहे हैं, इसको बोल रहे हैं, आवाज वहां चली गई। Understand? It does happen, isn't it? So be careful. Okay. Now, arguments you must avoid. Is it better to lose an argument or lose a friend? ये बताओ पहले।
Better to lose an argument.
But how many of you are willing to lose argument? सुनना ही नहीं। नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, तू चुप रह, तेरे को नहीं पता क्या होगा, तू ऐसे ही बोलता जा रहा है। I know they are all very difficult. It's easier said than done. लेकिन कोशिश करने में कोई हर्ज नहीं। डिसीजन तो ले लो, कुछ नहीं करना तो। Okay. So these are the life skills and बता दे। Never that. And if you are wrong, admit it. Some people don't admit it at all. Basic etiquettes we talked of it the other day. Some basic manners. They are important. And be humble. Humble is very, very, very important. Very important. मैं मेरे जैसा कोई पैदा नहीं हुआ. And if you get something, then we become very arrogant about it. It will not help you. किसी की बात छोड़ दो, अपनी बात करो. It will help you. Look at the people, they are so humble. Once when Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister of India, I happened to be at Bombay Airport sitting in the VIP lounge. And he walked in and he walked straight to me, and I was shocked and I stood up, "Good morning, sir." He said, "Good morning." So I introduced myself and then he sat and chatted with me. I saw Atal Bihari Vajpayee once standing in a queue at the airport. So I went and I said, I was DIG of police. तो हम लोग तो लाट साहब है ना, हम आगे जाएंगे पुलिस वाले. तो मैंने कहा कि सर आप आगे के नहीं, मैं यही थी. Humility. I once went to present my book to the then President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and I was extremely anxious and worried how will I talk to the President of India. But I did not know the way he talked to me. आधा घंटा बीत गया उनके साथ बात करने. That is the humility that people have. So it's good to be humble. Time management, punctuality, very important. But you respect time only in one matter. When to request whom for what you want. उसके लिए भी टाइम जरूर देखते हो. Is it the right time to talk to dad now? खाना वाना खा लिया, dad is in a good mood, आज बात कर ले. होता है ना, 2 दिन वेट करते हैं कई बार. टीचर के लिए वेट करते हैं नहीं, कई बार किसी से चीज लेनी होती है तो क्या करते हैं, वेट करते हैं. There you respect time quite a lot. To time your request always appropriately. But otherwise also, time your request, but otherwise also respect your time. Respect time of others. Be punctual. If somebody is expected to you to come given some time at 9 o'clock and the person doesn't come, do you like it? Same with other person also. Same with other person also. और मैं तो दिल्ली में बड़ा मजा आता है मुझे, शादियों में जब मैं जाता हूँ डॉली जी, तो क्या होता है वो कार्ड आ जाता है 8 बजे का, रिसेप्शन टाइम 8 o'clock. अब आए हैबिट है, अब इतने सालों से मैं पहुंच जाता हूँ ठीक 8 बजे. और कई बार खाली टेंट वाले मिलते हैं, वो भी लगा रहे होते हैं वहाँ पे. तो 1-2 बार तो मैंने वो शगुन का लिफाफा टेंट वाले को पकड़ा दिया. मैंने कहा भाई जब आएंगे भाई उनको दे देना. आई डोंट नो व्हेन दे विल कम. Oh, this is bad. I mean, I can't, of course, do anything about it, except either improve myself in this matter or curse myself. I mean, there's nothing else that I can do. But why should you do it? Tell me. Some people are good enough to tell you कि सर टाइम लिखा है 8:30 का, लेकिन बारात 9:30 से पहले नहीं आएगी, तो आप 10 बजे ही आना. So that's good enough. I mean, then you understand. So respecting time. I have finished. I've spoken a lot. This has been one-way communication, speaking only. I don't know how much it has made any impact on you. But anyway, I've done my duty. I request you to do for your own good to improve your communication skills. Now we have 5 minutes for any questions, any sharing of experience, anything anyone wants to know. Anyone? No? So you're all very happy. Yeah. You want to say something?
Sir, should I share something?
Yeah, please come.
So when we talk about communication, you said that the listening should be good. When we talk about communication, the listening has to be very good. Sir has made it very clear. But there's one more point that I would like to add. Should I do it with an activity or should I just say it?
Whichever way you want.
Okay. Okay. Any one of you who would like to volunteer? Come. He will think of a song and he will just tap. He'll just tap and you'll have to guess what song is he thinking and he would want to sing. You can tap it here on the mic. Think of a song and just tap it with your fingers. And don't murmur it, don't whisper. Just think of a very beautiful song. Try to understand what he's tapping and what song is he trying to tell you, okay? Okay, he started. Listen carefully.
I'll give a piece of paper to them to read, and then you will, after reading, you will communicate this to your friend, and you will do that similarly at the end. Till the madam, right? And you also till Dolly madam. It will be a message which they will communicate. She will communicate to this person, that person. Then I'll give to those two people, one at this corner, one at that, and you will speak to both. Okay? So let's start. Face to the wall. Just read that. Not loudly. It's meant only for you. Just read it, and you have to communicate this. Okay? The others who are not involved in this exercise, leaving that row, this row, and the last one, just kindly note down whatever we discussed last time, just points, just for refreshing your memory at least, if nothing else, okay? So those who had raised their hands, those who have done at least one thing, please raise your hands again. Three, four people. Okay. What did you do? Your name and
Vansh Chavla.
yes,
I improvised my sleep period. I was very inspired by, I watched a TED talk on the value of sleep and how is it useful to your daily routine and your life. So I tried to increase my sleep time and slept early, woke up early, and it improvised my routine and helped me foster a lot.
Thank you. Whoever you read it? Okay. Sit down there. Go and then tell the person behind in his ears, not loudly. You tell this to him, he will tell him, he will tell him. काम में बताइए क्या मैसेज क्या है? What's your name? Ketan. Okay. Ketan. Okay, Ketan. Go ahead. somebody else had raised the point. Vansh, इधर किसी और ने कुछ किया है? Anyone? Anyone? No? I thought there were 3-4 hands. This side? Did anyone do anything after the last session? No. Thank you.
You know what the session was last week. Those were the started following किसी ने बहुत start किया.
Charuji, what did you get? What was the message you got?
Sir, after 65 years, tomorrow.
No, just a minute. Please, sir, hello. Please listen to us.
Comet is here tomorrow at 8 a.m. After 65 years, it is there on the.
What message did you get?
The comet comes once in 72 years.
Okay, very nice.
Okay, good.
Tomorrow at 7:45, the Halley's Comet is coming. It will stay till 8:45, and if it stays, stays there, if it rains, then we'll go for a movie.
Manmeet, did you get the last lesson? You go for a
What my friend
Yeah,
told
be
me
less
was,
ignorant.
Halley's Comet will come after 72 years, and when it comes at 8 p.m. and if it rains in Britain, then it will come from Britain. If it rains in Britain, then it will come from Britain.
Chinese whispers kind of thing.
Now this is communication. This is how we read something. This is how we pass on. This is how it reaches. I'll read out the original one for you. You have all done a great job, all four of you. Thank you. And others also have done much greater job. Colonel issues the following directive. An Army colonel issues the following directive. Tomorrow at 2000 hours, Halley's Comet will be visible, which only occurs once every 75 years. For the men out in fatigues at 1930 hours, and I will explain how this phenomena is controlled by general astronomical forces prior to the appearance of the comet. If it rains, march the men from the battalion area to the theatre for a film on the comet. And what have you got? All four have got different versions. And you've got not even half the story. So what does it say? What does it speak? It's not to find fault with you. What I'm trying to tell you is that this is what happens to communications. So communication, one has to be very careful, communicate it properly. When we communicate, two people are involved. Is that right? Person who speaks, person who listens. Now the person who listens also should understand what is being said. Is that important or not? Mostly it's not understood. Now communication, can you tell me, we communicate in how many ways? In how many ways do we communicate? Pardon? ऊंचा बोलो. Face to face, okay. Face to face through mobile phone, okay. Through gestures, good. Letters, yes. Digital communication, okay. Body language, very good, yes. Telephone, okay. Okay, now first let us say yes, you communicate, of course, speaking, you have, this can be verbal, it can be non-verbal, it can be body language, it can be symbols, all that is there, very good. Different ways of communicating. Now, is speaking the only communication? We are communicating with each other? What are the other ways of communicating, Mash?
Listening.
Listening is a communication? Is he right?
Yes.
How many don't agree? हाथ खड़ा करो. Very good. Amandeep. Tarani. Acha, okay. Then what else is communication? Listening is a communication. Yes, absolutely. Speaking, listening. Then anything else?
Understanding in the way the speaker is speaking. You have to understand, otherwise the message
And
will
that
not.
is said already, Rekha. So, reading is a communication. Is reading a communication? It is a communication. Is writing a communication? So there are 4 ways of communicating. Speaking, listening, reading and writing. And for you students, it's very important. The reading and writing part, listening part also. Unless you listen to the lecture carefully in the class, you will not understand what is being talked about. Is that clear? Unless you read carefully what the teacher tells you, you will not understand it. And unless you write properly your answers, whose loss is it is? Yours. So all the 4 areas you have to pay attention from today. Speaking, listening, reading and writing. Now speaking also you have to practice first. Let us begin with speaking first, because that is mostly used by us. So when we speak, we have to speak carefully, clearly. The tone should be good. You can't be rude. Second is listening. Now, nobody wants to listen. You have seen TV debates? They shout at each other all the time. I go there sometimes, so I have to listen mostly. You among your friends also, 4 friends, nobody lets other person talk. पहले मेरी बात सुन ले. That's what this is, isn't it? You know, we interrupt constantly each other. So you don't listen at all. In listening, there is selective listening also. कुछ सुन लिया, कुछ नहीं सुना. You science students, you have sine curve, or you listen in gaps. Hear something, and the mind goes elsewhere. Line dot, line dot, line dot. Don't listen at all. You hear but don't listen. An example is a father is reading a newspaper in the garden, and the son comes and says, "Father, Dad, I have to go to play tennis. Shall I take your car?" Takes the car away. The father suddenly remembers there's a meeting, takes a bath, rushes to the garage, and the car is missing. And he says, "Where's my car?" His wife tells him, "The son has taken it." "Why did he take it?" "He asked you, you said yes." "No, I never said that." He heard it, but he was busy somewhere else mentally. And these things happen every day. So there are problems. Don't you have problems at times in communication? Sometimes friends tell you, "I said this, you followed this. What is this?" ध्यान से नहीं सुनो. This happens at home, it happens in class, it happens among friends, it happens on the roadside, it happens everywhere it happens. So you have to listen attentively. Listen with concentration. If you don't listen to your teacher who's teaching, whose loss is yours? Teacher will finish the lecture, the syllabus, the chapter, teacher will go away. And if you don't listen, you may not listen for other reasons also. Because I go for tuition, so why bother here? Or the topic is boring. Or the teacher doesn't know how to teach. You find fault with everything else except with yourself. So that you must improve. Even if you improve by 1%, you will benefit. Don't interrupt. We regularly interrupt. Try start today. You'll find it difficult because we all have urge to speak all the time. Try not to interrupt. So that will also help you quite a lot. These things, see, when you go back home today, just think about it. Where is the area where you need to work? So listening is very important, and when you listen, look at the person, into the eyes of the person you're talking to. Ask questions if you have to. Nod if you have to. You understand what is happening. So listening is maximum hard work one has to do in listening. Talking of speaking also, well, I'll go back a little. How many of you are afraid or nervous of public speaking? Coming to the platform here or speaking. Can you raise your hands? Many of you would be. So was I. It is natural. Nothing to worry about it. I had told you to do some exercise every day, speak by turn. Is it happening? Are you doing it? No. I had given instructions also. Anyway, my request to all of you is from tomorrow, the first class, every day.
Classes 11th and 12th, you took up a topic and spoke? Yes or no?
No. Anyway, start doing from tomorrow if you're not doing it. Just speak for 2 minutes on anything. And 2 minutes is a long time. So why, for nervousness, what is the solution? Know your subject very well. You have to prepare. Like I was coming to talk to you today, I spent 3 hours yesterday on this. So, unless you know the subject, you can't really speak. And two, then you should have a positive feeling about it yourself. I think communication skills, if you improve, it will help. It has helped me, so I am trying to share it. So that is very important. Next step is practice. Practice with whom? With family members? With friends? Before the mirror? Audio tape? Video tape? Then you have so many ways. So what will you know? Whether is there clarity in what you speak? Is the speech clear? Is the tone okay? Are you managing the time? 2 minutes you have to speak, isn't it? Now, for speaking for 2 minutes also, in every speech that you make, opening is most important. Is opening important or not? The first impression is the last impression, isn't it? The moment you open your mouth, everybody should get attracted. This applies to you, this applies to teachers, this applies to anybody and everybody who wants to be heard.
And it creates a lasting impression now, you see.
Yes, the first impression, as I said, is the last impression. So, you have to do that. So, opening should be good, dhamakedar. Like if a bank manager opens up, there's a, let us say, bank here. You have a bank here, somewhere close by? So, let us say the manager comes to you and tells you that, look, if you give me 500 today, 500 rupees next year on the same day, 25th of July 2020, I'll give you 2,000 rupees. Are you interested? Everybody will be interested. Then later on he'll say terms and conditions apply. But his intention is to get your attention first. So once you have got their attention, then you have to make your points, give some evidence, and then closing also should be very good. Closing is important or not? How many of you have traveled by air? Everyone. You have seen when the pilot takes off and when it lands, we remember that landing, sometimes landing is bad and we generally say pilot kharab hai. He doesn't know how to land, isn't it? You remember that. So opening and closing. So opening, message, evidence and closing. That is the sequence. Also in public speaking, you should know the purpose. What purpose you are going to speak. There can be 4 purposes. One is you write on the word mice, M-I-C-E. Mice, you know, chuya. So first purpose can be to motivate people. M is for motivate. I is for inform. C is for convince. And E is entertainment. Sometimes you are there to entertain people, isn't it? Or there's a play or a skit or what have you, anything for that matter. So be clear about the purpose of your presentation. My purpose today is now to motivate you, to inform you and motivate you about communication skills. See, things seem easy. We sometimes say communication skill mein kya hai? No, there's a lot. And it has nothing to do with language. It has nothing to do with English. In any language that you speak, Hindi or your mother tongue, whatever you have. Okay. So, I was saying that, go back. One is prepare, rehearse, drink water. If you can't speak without the notes, take your notes and keep on consulting the notes, no problems. If you speak 4 times, let me tell you, you will become good at it. And it will help you a lot in life.